In what might come as a surprise move, it looks like OnePlus is prepping a new mid-range smartphone. This is a very early look at the upcoming device, which is likely to be called the OnePlus 8 Lite or something similar. Not much is known about the core specs at the moment, but you can expect a 6.4-inch or a 6.5-inch display with a centered punch hole for the front camera. Since there is no fingerprint sensor visible, it would be safe to say that the screen would be an AMOLED panel and come with an under-display fingerprint scanner. The renders show a rectangular module at the rear bearing two camera sensors and a flash. There could also be a laser autofocus sensor placed alongside. Worth noting that the camera bump looks similar to the ones expected on upcoming Samsung Galaxy A and S series smartphones. That's all we know about the OnePlus 8 Lite so far. We expect the phone to go official along with the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro early next year.